welcome back to the channel. So, today is not only a Christmas edition, but it is slime edition too. Woohoo! So, I have 4 ingredients. I have silver tinsel, green tinsel, red tinsel, and some more activator. And then I have my mixing spoon and this. So let's get started.
Wait, before you get started, here's your secret ingredient.
A mystery ingredient.
Secret!
The present. I'm just kidding. But as you can see, this slime is kind of sticky. Very stretchy, but sticky. If that doesn't work, I think I'm going to fix it. Alright, but let's get started. Get our slime right in the middle. I decided to make this video because I got my thing right that for my ingredient. I got my how do you say it? Making the slime. I had trouble and then I finally got it. But yeah, so I started going to do the tinsel. Ow! Owie! Sorry about that little thing. Alright, now I'm gonna add the more tinsel. Alright, we got the tinsel in. Ooh, oh. This may not be the best idea to do. This is disgusting. This is not, don't add tinsel to it. Maybe I could add chunks in, but that is a fail. I knew that was gonna happen, but I just did it anyway. That looks like throw up. Alright, so I'm not sure I want to add in that. So that was kind of a fail, guys. I'm gonna not add that in. Okay. This is a thicker tinsel. This is a thicker tinsel, so it'll be a little better. And I'm gonna shove them up a little bit. Oh yeah, that's fun. Alright, I'm gonna add at least, just a little bit. Maybe not the whole thing. I guess it's not horrible in there. Maybe just a couple little strands. These thicker ones, as you could see, the difference of this, because that is it's a little bit, how do you say? Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna add in this. We got an ingredient, a secret ingredient. But I'm just gonna mix this up. Whoa! This is cool. Right. Okay. So I'm thinking I'm gonna freeze it of how sticky it is. Because it's slime, but it's just too sticky. Alright, time for our secret ingredient. I honestly don't know what this is. I don't know. Hopefully it's not something disgusting. Okay. Sorry, it's a little reindeer masala. Okay. Alright, ready for the reveal. 3, 2, 1. You know what? You guys take the first look. You can't see it though. Okay. Can you guess what this is? I'm gonna fix the lighting. Sorry guys. Alright. So I'm gonna add in my lights. Hey, this is gonna work out. Actually, for the rest. And now we're gonna mix. Oh, look at this. It's so cool. So guys, this is the slime that we got. I think I'll give it a 10. The mystery ingredient was actually pretty awesome. I think that added to our slime. So yeah, that was it for my slime video. I hope you liked it. If you want more of these slime videos, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. See you.